Okay, let's see. Where is my... That's what I want, right? Slideshow.
You can switch next.
Okay.
On this picture we can see chromosomes.
Loudly.
On this picture we can see chromosomes.
And teach them.
Yes, and chromosomes have almost all its genetic information. It's DNA. DNA is a substance of genes, units of inheritance that transmit information from parents to its offspring. Yes, so the DNA of genes replicates when the cell is going to be divided, and each of two cellular offspring inherits the complete set of genes. The DNA serves as a central database. Because of its molecular structure, it has an ability to store information. And in this example, you can see that, for example, from mother, we inherit genes, and after generation, it passes through. Next slide. The structure of molecule. DNA is composed of subunits called nucleotides, and it's made up of two long chains arranged in a double helix. So as you can see in this picture, and each DNA molecule consists of hundreds or thousands of genes, each occupying a different section of the strand, and genes are grouped into chromosomes. Next slide. The language of DNA is shared between all organisms. The way DNA encoded information is almost like we have letters in our alphabet. For example, they are ordered by order and meanings. For example, words red and art, they have the same letters but in different order, so their meanings are also different. So the same situation is with genes and DNA. Four main types of nucleotides is adenine, cytosine, valine, and thymine. You can see it. Next slide. Making a protein. Special sequential arrangement of these four chemical letters encode the information in genes. Different genes have different properties. Mostly genes program the cell's production of large molecular proteins. The DNA of gene control protein production indirectly using a relating kind of molecule called RNA. Yes. Next slide. So DNA sequences program a cell's protein production by being transcribed into RNA and then translated into specific proteins. While this translation is happened, all forms of life employs essentially same genetic code, and differences between organisms reflect differences between their nucleotide sequences, and RNA that is not translated into protein serves other important functions such as regulating the functioning of protein coding genes. And here, RNA that is not translated into and so your blood group, for example, is the result of certain genes that you inherited from your parents. Another thing that passes to you through the DNA can be color of eyes and hair, birthmark, and diseases. And next one. And so our question is, while the child can be infected if its mother is also infected.
That's it.